My summer hijab tutorial, that's what I'm gonna call this video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi, hope you guys are doing well. I've missed you guys so much. I know it's been a while, but hey, I'm back, and I don't want to be like one of those YouTubers that you haven't seen and in a long time, and then they talk about, yeah, I've been busy. I know everyone's busy, that's not an excuse. Anyway, let's just get on with the video. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you a hijab tutorial. I haven't done those in ages, but I recently posted, I was on my IG stories. If you're not following me, what are you guys waiting for? On my IG stories, I was just talking about how I thought it was Tuesday and it was actually Wednesday. Totally made a fool of myself. But I had this hijab style on with Hijab House. Now, this is not a collaboration. I bought these hijabs because I like chiffon and I like the way they feel and they don't slip on and off all the time. So somebody asked me, Mayya, how do you tie your hijab? I thought, you know what? Let me make a video for you all. So this is the video, really simple, really, I don't know, I just like it. I don't think, what am I going to do today? I just put the scarf on. I use 3 pins, a bonnet, and this scarf, and I'm at the door. So if you want to see how I create this scarf, which is super simple, believe me, you think, what, Mayya, why did you have to do a video? Well, because you guys asked, and you know, I aim to please. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the tutorial. Let's watch it. Alright, so the first thing you need is an underscarf. I'm wearing the one from Duck. I'll link it down below. I don't know if they still make them, but basically it has a tie at the end. And I usually just wear this top part, but just for the sake of this video I have to cover my neck. The hijab that I have is from Hijab House. I'll also link it. It's a chiffon kind of scarf. I really like it. Anyway, I'll link it down below. So first thing you do is, forgot to say, you'll also need ribbons. Okay. So put the scarf on your head. And as always, you have a short enough to go under the chin, and you have a long one. So I can't see what I'm doing, but basically I try to line the edge of the scarf with the bonnet, and then I bring it all the way down and I pin around the lower of the ear. Then I bring this under the chin and I pin above the ear. Then I take this. It's up to you, you can leave it out. I usually tend to put it in. And then you would go under your top and just make sure that it lies flat so there's nothing kind of bulging. And then pin this side. So now that this is like secure, you have several ways. You can put it under your neck, under your chin, and just, wear it this way like a regular kind of way. Or you could take the inside and then just go around, and you have it kind of doing this kind of action, which is nice and flowy. So just show you from the side, both sides. Okay, and another thing which is just simple, the way it is, you just take it round. You can leave it like this, you can bring it around if you want extra coverage to cover the front. You can really just play around with that one side. Usually what I like to do is take it round. I can have it covering it like this, and that's it. There you go. Now you know how I style my hijab for the summer. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was beneficial for you, gives you some ideas on how you can wear your hijab this summer. Tag me if you end up doing one of my styles, and I look forward to seeing you all in the next video, inshallah. Ma salama.